Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is August the 16th, 2022, and we're going to take a look at this exterior AC condenser unit. Reason why is because it gives off water from the air handler. Now that's pretty much free water, and basically what you see here is the pipe comes out of the ground. That's to the AC air handler, and then I stuck this old piece of hose up in there so it catches the water, and then it comes down this way. And it goes to something that needs a lot of water. So here's the end. The end should be over here. And yeah, it's our sugar cane. So I've been having an issue with this sugar cane really not looking too healthy. And yesterday I fixed that hose into position and then set the end here. So now this is going to be pretty wet. I've been reading up on this, on how to grow sugar cane successfully, and they need sun and a lot of water. So we're going to see if this helps our sugar cane grow. See, it's not usual for sugar cane to be all parched looking like that. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as they help the channel grow, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of our sugar cane. Have a great day.